Sabi ni Gary.
Baka makalimutan ni Jason kung paano
Oo naman.
How you like to be has a fun. Bata ka mo? Bata na eh. Bata naman buhat ko. Yo. Jake.
Paano na naman yung ADD. Wala ka naman matag sa ID. Mababasak niya.
Let's go from
Bueno.
Ay! Ano diyan? Ano na diyan?
May na yung aircon na.
What the?
May kailangan naman ako ng ano.
Ano yan? Ano yan? Ano yan?
Ang Benny.
Jump, 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 jump.
Ay na. Maganda. Di ba? Arawan mo.
Watermelon! Daddy. Oh no, 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 no.
Nasaan pala ako? First ba yun?
I'm playing Roblox.
Layo ng nilakad natin kahapon no? Ipi pa ng dinaanan namin. Phase one? Ano naman dyan?
I'm scary face one.
Ito.
Masarap ate. I'm very scary face one. Busog ka.
Shot.
Oh, it's a dirty water. Wait lang. Wait lang.
Ate, alas 9 dito na sa cellphone mo. Agad sa'yo. Oh, dali.
Oh no.
Ano sa uti? Add more? You want more?
Nakainom po ba ako? Wala yung mga powder.
Bakit?
Ano ba? One, two.
Convert siyang utak.
Bakit tayo sila kuya pa?
Booking na ako. 7 Mbps.
Oh, mama! Run, run, run! Run, run, run!
Bakit pinaiyak ka na naman? Ah! Madudoy! Kanina, nakain na niyan ang pasupot ng McDo. Nasa bibig ang kakil.
Woohoo!
Seven na ako.
Kanina talaga.
Ewan ko, hindi ko magaling speaker.
I got the hero. 1, 2, 3, 4.
Electric fan. Sa init pag electric fan. Sino? Ang dami. Ah, sa kanya nga. Sabi lang, ito, si Dati. Kaya naman yung budget.
Nakita ko. Ayun, dito. Yes! Yan. Ang weird yung English dub.
Bakit? Korean pinapanood mo?
Oo.
Tapos naka-subtitle lang?
Oo. Hey.
Si Albert, ang Tagalog eh. Puro mura.
Tapos tayo ng mga
Kasi kahit di ko tinatanggal yung ano.
Nakakaintindihan mo.
Oo. My apologies, sir, but you have a visitor. Malaban to, no?
Tapos,
Kasi ito napanood.
sasabihin ko lalo.
Yan. Bakit USB siya? Bata tayo?
Ha! Hugot mo naman yun. May pasakate?
Ano na naman eh? Galos.
Ano pinagagawa ni? Let's go.
Pwede na ako dahil
Let's
na pupunta.
Love you, ate. Love you. Hi, love you. Love you, ate ko. I love you.
Ay, bye.
Huh? BTS Stereo? Come back!
O, added yan, Tina. Butihin mo talaga ang tawa.
That was so funny.
Wala na kami sa tingin. Bila na kami.
Butterfly, butterfly. ₱25 lang naman pala pamasahe mo lang, garden.
Saan dun sa may Lola? Ilan kayo?
Butterflies are flying. There are butterflies. I love them. Love to me, love to me. I love you, I love you. This love I love. Mommy. Just like you. I know, I'm a sparrow.
Ayun na si ate. Thank you, ate. I love you.
Bubble. Bubble. Bubble.
Ano pa?
Bubble.
Tulog mo.
Are you okay?
Galit siya, diba?
Mami na! Bibili na nga si tita para makaluto na si mami ng kari-kari niya.
Aswerte.
Yan lagi.
Cornstarch. Konting cornstarch.
Pop. Gung, 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 gung.
Pork cubes.
At yan.
Ayen po. Kulay isang daang na yun. Ano mo na yung telephone?
Like you can or pressure me to take their meds when they're supposed to.
Ha?
The other moms keep
Bakit nagagay? Tangke.
asking for helping else.
Hilaw.
All I want is for you to stay.
Manete, baka may makita ka maning hilaw.
I don't know how to work for you.
Peanut butter niya. Maning hilaw, masarap yung maning hilaw na ibibigay.
Jesus.
Hilaw? Ha? Hindi, ako na.
Sakit na tiyan mo. Sakit na tiyan. Sakit na tiyan. Sakit na tiyan.
Ha?
Sakit na tiyan.
Bakit? Tingnan mo yung tsokolate mo hanggang pader, i-wipes mo yan.
Our son's goal is to attend SAUX. I hear you're one of the top admissions consultants. Let's start by seeing how far along is the academic. I haven't studied ahead. He's only in first year for the school, but he's already doing
Oh, hindi
high
pa
school
kasi
math.
tips. Oh,
He's still doing high school math.
uy. Okay, no. Kumain na.
Top of his class right now.
Si Eddie yan naman eh.
Don't even think about that school. We're not in opposites. Soul's right next door. You should be my son first before you know when the moms and dads start preparing their kids for that school. From the moment they're born, they map out a 20-year plan. They choose the appropriate daycare, schools, and 2 years. Those kids are 10 years ahead of the ones who decided to study on medicine when they were in middle school. His age not in Should have already finished this exact reform and be doing non-stop practice questions to
You-
avoid mistakes in the actual test. You should be prepping for school interviews and working on essays. See what I'm doing here?
Lagi.
Here are
It's a worm. 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 It's a worm.
Yeah?
It's a. What
Ito
the?
ka pet sa isang tali. Yung magandang
I can fly. Oh no!
Oh, yeah.
I don't want the paradox.
Okay, naisip yung kamay.
It's got
Ina talaga. Diyan ka na sa labas, ha? Dala ko na.
that school lived here. Didn't have to pay a deposit.
Hindi ka po kasi Nay. Bago.
That's if you manage to live here.